Welcome everybody to my channel. I'm Kimberly and thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and do me a couple things. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to know when new videos come out. In the comment section below, let me know your scent of the day, let me know your favorite fragrance, and if you have a cologne or perfume you would like for me to review, put it in the comment section below. Now, before I get into the review, there's one thing I want you to do for me. Yes, I have you doing all these things for me, is stay until the end. What I've done is I've paired the cologne with an ensemble that I created. So stick around so you can check it out. Now let's get into the review, which is Y Le Parfum by Yves Saint Laurent. Here's the bottle. It's nice and dark and sleek. It has the Y that wraps around. It's a beautiful bottle. Now, I sprayed this about 3 days ago, and let me just tell you a little bit about it. So when I sprayed it, I get fresh, spicy, citrus, a little bit of musk, but the citrus is really taking over when I spray this for the first time spray. And let me tell you why the citrus is really prominent in this fragrance is because in the top notes you have ginger, grapefruit, apple, and aldehydes. So you have the ginger and the aldehydes pulling lemon out of there along with the grapefruit. So they're coming together to form that citrus smell. Also in the heart notes, you have geranium, lavender, and sage. So from the geranium, you're also getting a pulling of the lemon. And then you're getting mint from sage, and you're getting the fresh, spicy from the lavender. You're also getting the fresh, clean, soapy from the aldehydes, because when you spray this, it smells like you just stepped out of the shower. It's nice and fresh. And then for the base notes, you have patchouli, you have tonka bean, you have cedar, and you have olibanum. So with the tonka bean and the patchouli, what you're getting is a sweet smell, and it's not a young sweet smell. It just blends together with the fragrance. With the citrus, it just blends, and you're getting the woody and you're getting the musk from the cedar, and then from the olibanum you're getting the spicy, and you're getting fruity, like a little bit of fruity in there, but not too much fruity. So it's all working together to perform this amazing scent. It is lovely. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the performance. The performance, I got about 7.5 to 8 hours out of the fragrance. The projection was about 2 to 3 feet, and the sillage, when you left the room, people smelled you, and it was a smell of, wow, who was that and what were they smelling? So it's a compliment magnet. So if you're looking for the compliments, this is the baby right here. This is the baby. Now, this cologne reminds me of Giorgio Armani's Stronger With You Freeze. Now, I'm not saying that they smell alike. They remind me of one another. With the Stronger With You Freeze, you have ginger, which brings out a citrus, and then you have lavender, which gives you that fresh, spicy. So again, it reminds you of one another. And I'm not saying if you have the one not to buy the other, but I would definitely go to the department store and check out Y Le Parfum before you write it off, because it smells divine. It really does. So now I told you to stay to the end because I wanted to show you how I paired this fragrance. So what I've done is I've paired it with this ensemble right here. Now I've done all black because with this fragrance, it's dark, it's powerful, it's sexy, it's seductive. And just looking at this ensemble, I'm thinking about this fragrance because I'm like, that is on point. You can also wear this with a tuxedo, black tie. If you wear this to the office, I definitely would suit it up. No off the rack from certain stores where you get 3 suits for $99. You want to do a made to measure, you want to do a bespoke, you want to step it up. Now you can wear this fragrance all year round. You don't have to pick, oh, should I wear this in the summer? Should I wear this in the fall? It's all year round. You can wear it. And where to get the fragrance? You can go to Macy's, you can go to Saks. I got it at Macy's for around $128. This is a new release, 2021, so it's not gonna be with the discounters right now. So if you really want it, go ahead and get it from the department stores. You will not be disappointed. I give this fragrance a 9, highly recommend it. So go ahead and check it out. If you just wanna go get a sample, spray it and try it out, go right ahead. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. But before I go, there's one thing I want you to do for me. I have a lot of things that I want you to do for me, but in the comment section below, let me know if you have Y Le Parfum and what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Let me know if you have the Eau de Parfum, if you have the Eau Fresh, if you have Live. Let me know what fragrance you have in this line and what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Did you do a blind buy? Were you disappointed? So I want to know all of that. So go ahead and put that in the comment section below. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, stay cool, stay classy, and keep on killing it. Cheers.